Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make cake happy only way. Start by gathering fresh eggs, butter, flour, sugar, and a reliable oven thermometer. Then follow a simple creaming method step by step. Cream butter and sugar until light, add eggs one at a time, fold in dry ingredients gently, and avoid over-mixing to keep the crumb tender. Cool fully before decorating to preserve shape and mood. Combine room temperature butter and sugar and beat until fluffy to trap air for lift and tenderness. Add eggs slowly, mixing fully after each addition, then alternate dry and wet ingredients to maintain structure. Use a spatula to fold in zests or chips, keeping movements gentle. Scrape the bowl often so everything blends evenly and the final cake remains moist and happy for frosting. Bake at the temperature your recipe specifies and resist opening the oven early to maintain even rise and texture. Rotate pans if your oven has hot spots, and check doneness with a toothpick or thermometer to avoid dry results. Let cakes cool in their pans briefly, then transfer to a rack to finish cooling completely before trimming or frosting for a joyful, stable presentation and better flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.